Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy New Year 2021. Let's hope that this year, hopefully, things will get back to normal. And today, we're gonna make that perfect hot chocolate. Who doesn't love piping hot chocolate on a cold, rainy, or a cold, snowy day? It's gonna be super awesome. It's gonna be chocolatey, thick, and it's super duper easy to make. My mouth is literally watering now, and I really loved this recipe. It turned out to be super duper yummy. And let's make our New Year special with this hot chocolate. You can also watch this in Telugu. I'll link it in the description box below, and you can also see my Telugu channel. Please click the link above to go to that. Now firstly, we'll need some milk, preferably whole fat milk so that you'll get that creaminess. I've also taken some cream from the milk, fresh cream, some sugar, and also milk compound. So this is the raw chocolate compound that you can get outside. So I've taken a milk compound, not the dark one. And please check the ingredients if there is sugar in that. This milk compound is sweet. So this is how the chocolate slab looks like. It's gonna be super yummy. I'm breaking it down into small pieces so that it's easier to cook. Now if you use cocoa powder instead of this, what you get is a very thin, milky hot chocolate which is not that chocolatey enough. So if you use a milk compound instead, it gives you that super thick and rich, creamy hot chocolate. Now in a heated pan, only on a low flame, first I'm adding some fresh cream and also whole fat milk. Now if you take that whole fat milk, you'll get that extra thickness in the hot chocolate, which is super duper amazing. Today we're making American hot chocolate that is thick but not too thick like the Italian hot chocolate. Now once the milk comes to a boil, add in some chocolate compound. You can add in how much ever you like, just keep stirring it on a low flame only. Oh my god, see how the milk's turning brown. Now here you can add in some sugar. My milk compound is a little sweet but not too sweet, so I'm adding a little bit of sugar. If you use a dark compound, maybe you'll need extra sugar. Oh my god, just look at that. Just imagine, what if all the rivers and lakes in the world become chocolate lakes and rivers? We can have free chocolate drinks every day. Just keep stirring it because you've added cream. You see some layers on the top, but that's fine, you can strain it later. Just look at that. Look at the glossy texture of it. Make sure that there are no lumps and the whole chocolate gets melted and mixed with milk. You have like a real chocolate, guys, not like the cocoa powder. It's just super duper yummy. Now this is the consistency and that's it. That's literally the process, nothing else. It's super easy, very chocolatey. You can strain it off into a nice glass. And to increase the chocolatiness even more, I am sprinkling some cocoa powder from the top. It's beautiful. You know, I first discovered hot chocolate when I went to this movie called Polar Express. Do you remember that movie? If you do, mention it in the comment section below. And in that movie, when going to the North Pole, the hero keeps drinking hot chocolate on a train. And that's when my liking towards hot chocolate started. And here we are, making the easiest hot chocolate at home. Perfect for all those cold winter days to give you that extra warmth and happiness. Enjoy it with your loved ones. I've also sprinkled some chocolate chips to enhance the dimension a lot more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.